to do this AI yearbook trend for free. First, you have to find the AI yearbook photos of other users who have already done this trend. To find the photos, you can use Pinterest, TikTok or Twitter and then download the photo or take a screenshot of those photos. I'm using Twitter to find the photos, or if you want the same photos, I'm downloading. Then you can get these photos easily from the link given below in the description. You can use these photos to make your AI yearbook trend. And to do a trend on TikTok, you will need 8 such photos. So after getting all 8 photos, now go to the browser and search for AI Art Guru. Here you will find this website with the heading AI Art Generator. Below that you will find an option called Face Swap. Click on this option. Now here you will find 2 options, Add Face and Replace. You have to add your selfie photos in the Add Face option, and an AI yearbook photos in the Replace option. Now let's first replace the model photo with the AI yearbook photo. To do that, click on this option and add the AI yearbook model photo from gallery. Now after adding, you will find the photo here. Now click on the photo to replace it with the model. Now click on Add Face and add your selfie photo from your gallery. Now click on Generate to swap the face with the AI yearbook model. It takes time to generate the photo, so if it takes more than 1 minute to generate, I'll suggest you to try it during morning or in the night time, when the traffic on the website is low. Now cancel this pop-up and now you can easily download the photo. Now you have to repeat the process for 7 other photos. Now you just have to replace the AI yearbook model and not your photo. You have to add all AI yearbook model from gallery, and then you can replace one by one. You have to do the same process for all 8 photos. Now after you did this all, it's time to make a TikTok trend video. To do this, first click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. After clicking it, you will be automatically switched to CapCut. Now you just have to click on Use Template and add all the 8 AI yearbook photos. Now it's done. First check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.